Get ready to see some of the most amazing and futuristic water vehicles ever created. From sleek modern designs to incredible underwater technology, these machines are changing the way we travel on water. Whether you love speed, adventure, or new technology, these watercraft will impress you. Buckle up, because water travel is about to get wild. Candela Cand. The Candela Kate is a revolutionary electric hydrofoil boat designed for high-performance and eco-friendly travel. It runs on a 69 kW battery and can reach speeds of up to 27 knots with a range of 57 nautical miles at cruising speed. Its hydrofoil system lifts the boat above the water, reducing drag and creating a smooth, quiet ride with almost no wake. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, the 8.5-meter Kate is strong, efficient, and agile. It can carry up to 8 passengers comfortably, offering a luxury experience. The Candela Cat perfectly combines speed, comfort, and sustainability, showing the future of electric boating. A jet cycle is an innovative electric watercraft that blends modern design with exciting performance. Its trimaran hull provides excellent stability, making it easy to use for beginners and experienced riders alike. Carbon foils and a silent electric motor allow it to glide smoothly over water at speeds up to 10 knots, with a battery life of up to 3 hours. The comfortable seat includes anti-slip pads for safety, and its elegant design uses premium materials. Quiet, smooth, and stylish, the jet cycle offers a new and eco-friendly way to explore the water. Valo Hydrofoil Alpha Prototype. The Valo Hydrofoil Alpha is a cutting-edge, electric hydrofoil watercraft built for speed and control. Powered by a 8-horsepower electric motor, it can reach 42 mph cruise at 25 mph with a range of 68 miles. Its Skyride active stabilization system uses real-time sensors to maintain balance, even in rough water. Designed for 2 riders, it features a comfortable vegan leather seat and sleek styling. Fast charging allows it to reach 80% in just 3 hours. The Hydrofoil Alpha delivers thrilling performance with comfort and sustainability. Waveflyer Velia. The Waveflyer Velia is a 2-seat electric hydrofoil watercraft built for smooth and eco-friendly rides. It uses a lightweight composite hull and retractable hydrofoils for both shallow and deep water use. Controlled by a fly-by-wire system, it offers cruise mode for comfort and performance mode for agility. With a top speed of 22 knots and a range of up to 100 kilometers, it delivers a quiet, zero-emission experience. Safety features like geofencing and remote shutdown make it reliable. The Velia blends innovation, excitement, and environmental care. Lazzarini Palladio. The Lazzarini Palladio is a 20-meter hybrid yacht concept featuring bold design and advanced technology. Made entirely from carbon fiber, it is lightweight yet powerful. Twin-jet systems and engines allow it to reach speeds of up to 55 knots. The Palladio reflects a futuristic vision of luxury marine design. An Angst Elite. The Angst Elite is a high-performance underwater scooter designed for luxury diving experiences. It can reach speeds of 2.1 km/h and dive down to 40 meters. Made from advanced carbon materials, it is lightweight yet strong. In Eco mode, it offers up to 80 minutes of use, while Shark mode provides powerful high-speed bursts. After high-speed use, riders can continue in Eco mode. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Angst Elite delivers both power and style underwater. Iguana Ice 100. The Iguana Ice 100 is a unique amphibious boat that can travel easily on both land and water. Its patented track system allows it to move over sand, rocks, and mud without needing a trailer or dock. On water, it reaches speeds of up to 50 knots using twin engines. The spacious deck can carry up to 12 passengers and includes comfortable seating, a freshwater shower, and customizable options. Built for durability, the X100 combines adventure, luxury, and innovation in one powerful machine. Royal Alpha 1. The Royal Alpha 1 is a futuristic luxury yacht concept with a spaceship-inspired design. Its carbon fiber and glass structure offers panoramic views and a modern look. Powered by Volvo IP systems, it reaches speeds between 33 and 42 knots. An optional hydrogen-powered electric system allows zero-emission travel. Inside, it features jet-style seating, elegant lounges, and private suites. The rooftop deck includes a glass-bottom jacuzzi and sunbed, offering a truly luxurious sea experience. Yamaha Jet Blaster Deluxe. The 2005 Yamaha Jet Blaster Deluxe is a high-energy personal watercraft built for speed and control. Powered by a 49cc 4-stroke engine producing 90 horsepower, it reaches speeds of around 50 minifrets. Its advanced ride system provides smooth handling and easy maneuvering. With a large fuel tank, manual trim, grip mats, and a reboarding step, it balances performance and comfort. This watercraft is perfect for riders who love excitement on the water. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler Cell 3. The Manta 5 Cell 3 is an electric pedal assist hydrofoil bike that lets riders cycle on water. Powered by a 500-watt motor and lithium battery, it offers multiple pedal assist levels or throttle-only mode. It reaches speeds of up to 12 minif and cruises smoothly at 7 minif. With quick charging and long range, it's ideal for lakes and calm coastal waters. The Cell 3 offers a fun, eco-friendly water cycling experience. U-Boatworks Nemo. The Nemo is a compact two-person personal, submersible designed for underwater exploration. Its transparent acrylic dome offers a full 360-degree view of the ocean. Quiet electric thrusters provide smooth movement and precise control. It includes advanced control systems for safe navigation and hovering near marine life. Easy to launch and operate, the Nemo delivers a unique and immersive underwater adventure. Griffon Hoverwork 12 PSNTD. The Griffon Hoverwork 12 PSNTD is a powerful amphibious hovercraft built for passengers and cargo. Its modular interior allows flexible use, and its hybrid drive system reduces fuel use and noise. With a capacity of up to 80 passengers and a 12,000 kg payload, it can reach speeds of 50 knots. Designed for challenging environments, it offers reliability, speed, and efficiency. Lazzarini Pearl Suite. The Pearl Suite is a floating luxury hotel powered entirely by solar energy. Each unit offers living space with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and private terrace. A retractable dome allows open-air views, while an electric motor enables slow, quiet movement. With GPS and autopilot systems, it supports self-navigation. The Pearl Suite offers a sustainable and innovative future for oceanfront tourism. Connor Key 3 Amphibio. The Connor Key 3 Amphibious is an amphibious helicopter designed for both air and water operations. Dual electric hydrojets allow it to move across water without using the main turbine. Retractable skids improve flotation and allow safe landings in shallow water. Designed for coastal and island use, it combines aviation technology with marine versatility. Proteus 360s. The Proteus 360 is an advanced electric hydrofoil boat built for efficient and eco-friendly travel. Its electric motor allows cruising at 20 knots and a top speed of 26 knots. The hydrofoil system lifts the hull above the water, reducing drag and improving stability. With multiple operating modes and fast charging, it offers flexibility and performance. The Proteus 360 represents the future of clean and smart water transportation.